This is my setup. It has a GTX 960 and a Ryzen 5 4500. For around 2 months, I've been looking for a GPU upgrade. Yes, the GTX 960 is still a decent card, which you can look at the specs in the tagged video. I have a feeling it needs to be better. So I started looking at cards, and I came up with 2 options in my price range. The RTX 3050 and the RX 6600. Yes, I understand the RTX 3050 is a decently hated card, but I think it's worth my money. Also, the RX 6600 just seems like a viable option with the same amount of VRAM as the 3050. Anyways, what do you think of my decision?